Welcome. Today we have a Dent and a Bedside and a Dodge Ram. We're going to take looking from this to this. So stick around and we'll show you how we do it with some glue pulling. So we're prepping the panel, heat it up to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit after it's been cleaned. Putting on some Cam Auto tabs with some Solar Blitz from Collision Glue Systems. Got some long tabs and a couple of flex tabs. There's our setup. We've got the rods in, hooked up to our chain on the wedge clamp pulling system. And our hammers, everything laid out, ready to go. It's time to put a little pressure on it. There it goes. So here, this is a look at it after that first initial pull, and you can see it's looking pretty good. That top body line is right where it needs to be. Got that other dent into the tail light taken care of pretty much. Just gonna put the bumper on and see how it's fitting. It's actually in a little bit still, so I'm gonna pick up one more pull with the bumper on to get it in the right spot where it needs to be. One of the major advantages to repairing a Chrysler vehicle this way is if you went in line with their procedures, which of course only say that you can repair their panels using cold methods, so no welding tabs or pin pullers, anything like that. This is going to maintain the structural integrity of the steel and also cause much less corrosion than you would with conventional methods. Here's the final product after it's assembled and back from the paint shop. It's looking real good and ready for the customer.